Hey guys, today I'm filming my July Boxycharm unboxing. So, the theme for this month is Boxycharm au naturel. So there's the little card. And I did already look through here and open everything. I didn't swatch anything. But yeah, let's just get right into it. So the first thing that I got was the LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. There's that guy. This looks pretty good. So this mask you wash off. It's not a peel-off mask, which I like a lot better. Peel-off masks hurt. Yeah, so I think this is going to be good. It's formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils and rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin's moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. So this sounds pretty good, and I know this brand is pretty expensive. This retails for $35, and it's not giant either. This is only, well, it's 2.5 fluid ounces, which isn't bad, but $35, it's pretty small. Next is the Butter London eyeshadow palette. Here's what this looks like. The packaging is so pretty. And this is the Natural Goddess palette. So here's what those colors look like. I think they look really pretty, especially the 4 shimmers over here. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of them. And then a nice fun blue, and then a dark brown, which I don't use dark browns a lot, but that would be a good like liner or outer crease color. I haven't swatched these, so okay, so here's what the colors look like swatched out. The shimmers are definitely really good quality. The 2 mattes are a little bit chalky and a little bit more powdery. They're not as opaque, but I think the shimmer colors are gorgeous, especially that top one. So it goes from top to bottom. We have Enchantress, Queen, Star, Diva, Temptress, and Femme Fatale. Femme Fatale? Yeah. So I think these are really pretty. I'm definitely excited to get some use out of this. And this retails for $32. Next we have a brush set from Luxy. And I threw the little box away already, but these are the 3 brushes that came in the set. So we have the Luxy 510 foundation brush, which is just a foundation brush. I don't use these very often, it's fine. The handles are really pretty. It's like a pink wood and then a pink rose goldy metal. But I do use these kind of brushes to put masks on, so I'll probably get some use out of that way. And then there's the Luxy 246 Precision Crease Brush, and it's just a flat shader brush. It's kind of smaller, and it's not super thick, but I think this would be really good for lower lash line too. So I'll get some good use out of that one. And then this last one is the Luxy 250 Large Eye Blending, and I think I'm going to get a ton of use out of this one. It's definitely super fluffy, and it's pretty big, like compared to your eye. It's pretty big, but I think this is going to be a really good either to set your primer with, like an all-over eye, or to really just like blend out something in the crease. But yeah, I'm excited about this guy. And that brush set retails for $30. It's called the Gaia 3-piece brush set. Yeah, $30. Alright, next we have from Tarte. This is the Tarte Lip Paint in Strike Gold. I think this is super pretty. I've gotten one of these in a past box in like a burgundy shade, and I did really like that one. So I'm excited to use this because I know I really liked that gloss, but I kind of wish they would have sent us something that I haven't tried before. So these aren't sticky. It's pretty sheer, like a sheer neutral peachy color, and then you get pink and gold sparkle. So that's definitely really pretty, and I'm excited to use this guy. And this retails for $20. And then the last thing we got is from Kosh, and this is the Cleansing Spa Water makeup wipes. So there's those. There's 10 of them in here. I think this is really cool. I love having face wipes. I go through them like crazy. If you watch my empties videos, I use these really fast. Kosh isn't it a K-beauty brand? I'm not sure if it's K-beauty or not. Made in Japan. Anyway, I've heard really good things about this brand, and it's a more expensive skincare brand, so I probably won't repurchase these once I use them up, but it'll be nice to use them. It says, quick and easy skincare collection infused with thermal spring water and natural herbs in our spa blend water to protect and nourish the skin. Quickly removes makeup, leaving nutrients to replenish and rejuvenate the skin. Removes waterproof makeup without leaving an oily residue. Rinse-free, oil-free, 100% cotton. So, that's exciting. It's definitely something different that Boxycharm hasn't sent out before. Yeah, and I'm excited to get use out of these because I know I'll actually go through this and use them up. And this pack of 10 retails for $17. So, I definitely wouldn't buy 10 wipes for $17. That's kind of a lot. Yeah. But it'd be nice to like pamper yourself with these. So that is everything that I got in my box this month. Here's the little thing, and here's a close-up of the card if you want to read the descriptions. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm pretty excited about all of it. I think my favorites are going to be the wipes because I know I can go through these and use them up and get my full value from them. The brushes, because again, brushes last forever, pretty much. And the eyeshadow palette, because I think these colors are really fun and everyday wearable shades. So, and I do like the mask and the lip gloss too, but they're just not super exciting to me. Anyway, that is all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.